Good job, buddy. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, honey.
Merry Christmas.
Kaden, first Christmas.
I love this wrapping paper.
Get it, buddy. Open it up.
Open it
I
up.
think he's kind of figured out what's happening because he's gotten all this already. I think he kind of knows what's coming.
Whoa! It's got a lot of tape on it.
It's a book.
10 little fingers and 10 little toes. Oh, that's really cute. Oh, you're putting it on. Andrea, look at this great little book your dad and you gave us. Yes. That was really nice.
Cool.
Oh, you like it?
Okay, look at this one. To Kaden from Brent. Oh, okay,
Wow.
I love you.
Aw, that's sweet.
Thank you, Auntie Kim.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
It's a sweatshirt. We'll take this out later and play with it. Wow. Okay.
I think Frosty got me right.
Just break them down. That is perfect.
To Kaden from Tyler and Olivia. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Hey, look, we're going to get the boxes real quick. Open this. I know.
Too bad I already have this one.
You can get the other, return and get the other one.
I know, I want this one. Tyler can have the other one, I want it.
My learning library.
This one
Oh, this is great.
14.
Thanks, These very nice.
It's so cute.
Hey, Kaden, what do you got to say for yourself? Kaden, what do you got to say for yourself? When life was so simple.
Yes. There's a milk.
What do you got to say for that?
Yes.
Yes.
Babe.
Oh,
Babe, come on. Look, a white shirt.
This is cute. Olivia from Jordan.
oh, that's Jordan. This is for you.
Did very much.
Jordan, let me have before you.
Kaden from Jordan and Andrew.
This is from
Kaden. Kaden, look.
No, just give me a mouse so I can get them out.
Jordan got me this and I No, I wanted it.
Look.
Check your,
Look. Yeah! Tear it open. Yay! Good job! He's getting the hang of it. Wow! Good job. Open this side. Well, let's go see what it is. Yeah! Good job! What is it, twin? Yay!
What is that, Andrew? iPod. Very cool.
I think Santa.
And Andrea, did Santa or Mom and Dad? Mommy and Dad. Thank you. How did you know I wanted these things?
We know all.
Now I can share this with
Oh,
my
Kim, this is so cute.
I know.